Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy, and today we are in number 9B and we are still working on the past question for 2023, which is going to serve as a revision for your 2024 Waec. Now this question reads, a truck of mass 1.2 times 10 raised to 3 kg is pulled from rest by a constant horizontal force of 25.2 Newton on a level road. If the maximum speed attained is 60 km per hour, calculate the work done by the force and the distance traveled by the truck in reaching the maximum speed. Okay, in this question, what you need to know is that work done by a force can also be given as force times distance. Sometimes we say it is change in kinetic energy, and that is the best option I have now. So I am going to say that work done is equal to, that's I'm solving number 1, is equal to change in kinetic energy. Now when we talk about change, that means there is final and there is initial. And remember that they said that it started from rest, therefore u is going to be 0. But the final velocity v is going to be 60 km per hour. Now it is very noble. It is very noble for us to do the conversion from kilometer per hour to meters per second. How do we do it? Simple. We are going to say 60 times 1000 divided by 3600. If you do that, when these two zeros cancel these two zeros, we now have 600 divided by 36, which is going to give me 16.67 meters per second. So this is the value. This is the value of the final velocity. Now, how do we apply it here? The change in kinetic energy is going to be, work done is going to be equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Remember, u is initial and v is the final. Everything here is going to be 0. Why? Because u is 0. Multiplied by anything here is going to be 0 because u is 0. So that is out. We are working with this v, which is work done, is going to be equal to 1/2 times mass is 1200 times is the same thing as that, times v square, which is going to be 16.67 squared, and work done is equal to, so I'm going to have 16,673.34 joules. The distance traveled in reaching the maximum speed. So in reaching the maximum speed, I'm going to use this formula, v square is equal to u square plus 2as, because this is the distance I'm looking for. There is acceleration, there is final velocity, there is initial velocity. I am using this as the distance. However, I do not know this, but a force was involved. I'm going to say that force is equal to mass times acceleration. But acceleration there is going to be force all over mass, and which is 25.2 divided by 1200. Acceleration is given as 0.021 meters per second square. This is my acceleration. To find the final velocity, I'm going to have 16.67 squared is equal to u is 0. This is 2 times acceleration 0.02 times s. So s is equal to 16.67 times 16.67. So this is 277.889 divided by, this is going to be 0.04. Therefore, the distance is given as 6947.2 meters. Alright, so this is the solution to this question. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button, like this video, and comment, and even share. Have a nice day.